Hey, it's Al with leadinglandlord.com. Let me give you a tour of my Airbnb here in Orlando, Florida. It is like a house split. So I want to show you some things you can do, how to split a house so that you can create an Airbnb spot. You get to walk up this walkway here. And this place is a halfplex. And you got your door, full door. I like these yellow locks here. You open it up, and this door is locked off. I imagine that goes to the rest of the house. And I have this kitchenette here with a microwave, and then my full bathroom. And then I have like what would be an office, I guess, but it's now a bedroom, or one of the first bedrooms. It's kind of a master spot there. I got a full closet. I really like this clock. It's available on Amazon. It's like 19 bucks, but it gives me this 2 charging ports, which I need. I really like this fan. It's based off a remote control that's right here. And yeah, it really works. I really like this ventilator right here. It's right next to the bed. It kind of blows sideways over the bed, and that made it really comfortable. The things I don't like is this mini fridge being so low to the ground. It'd been nice if they would have placed it up on a table, something like this, so that I don't have to bend down so far. I also don't like this. It's kind of creepy. It's a double lock, but they're able to unlock it from one side and come in if they wanted to. So it'd been better if there was a side latch so that I could do something to control access from my point here. I really like these yellow locks. They're super easy to use. You don't need an app for them. You just enter your code and you're in. I really like it. I like the way this bedboard looks. However, it is cloth, and that means you have to watch out for bed bugs. So I'm much happier with non-cloth headboards. Well, in general, I'm really happy with this Airbnb. Lots of mirrors that are perfect way to decorate, and some tasteful art. Couple pieces of very tasteful art. I really like it. So these are some good tips to have when you're coming in and setting up your rentals. This is a good example. All right, I'll see you next time.